think my lip lines come mostly from laughing a lot and loving life. I love to laugh. You gotta live, you know?
I think I would love to change the fact that all my singing has kind of given me lines around my mouth that I don't like. I'm hoping to achieve getting rid of some of the fine lines, but still looking like me.
I'd like to walk out of the office with more confidence, and I think I will.
I love helping women feel better about themselves. I've been using silk in my practice for about a year, and I pretty much exclusively use it for the lips. I offer Restylane silk as my first treatment of choice.
Well, after the Restylane silk treatment, I feel prettier and I feel like fresher. How would I describe my lip lines now? There are none.
You get up in the morning, you see you get a little better, a little better, a little better, and then about a week later, you're looking at yourself and you're going, why did I wait so long? I'm one to kind of run out sometimes without lipstick. Well, now I'm really wanting to put the color on the lips and have fun with it and let the lips shine because they really deserve to be seen now. Now I'm proud of them.
When I look into the mirror, I see someone beautiful and confident, and I feel sexy.
I'm doing a vocal warm-up, A-I-O-U, and it just is wonderful to know that those lines are no more.
It's the end of the line for lips.